Hi, this is Allison Sheridan, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week, I'd like to teach you about TextExpander from Smile. TextExpander is one of the very first applications I install on a new Mac. That's how critical it is to me. TextExpander allows you to be more productive by typing things for you that you repeatedly have to type. When I use TextExpander, I know I'm typing fewer words myself, which has the added benefit of reducing stress from typing. Let's think about things that you type over and over again. How many times a day do you type your own name, or your phone number, or your address? Maybe your physical address and your email address get typed quite often. You might work for a company where you type the company name and the URL for that company. Maybe you work for a help desk and you have to answer the same questions over and over again. What if you didn't have to type those answers? Maybe you're a programmer and you'd like to save programming code snippets so you could easily just stick them right into your code. Perhaps you have to write form letters from time to time. TextExpander can help you write those too. You can insert dates automatically and write very long phrases. I like to use TextExpander for words I commonly misspell. There's also things that are just difficult to type. I can never remember, is the B in the middle of Facebook capitalized or lowercase? Is it iPad mini with a capital M or a lowercase m? I don't have to remember because when I see a word that's difficult for me to type, I put it in TextExpander and then I know it will always be typed correctly. I realize that our audience is made up of people who have maybe been using TextExpander for a very long time, but also people who've never used TextExpander. So I'm going to start out slow, explain the basics of the interface, and do some simple snippets. But then we're going to accelerate and we're going to get into the new advanced capabilities available in TextExpander 6 that will really help you up your game with TextExpander. TextExpander is available from TextExpander.com. Let's take a look at pricing first. And you'll see that TextExpander 6 is available as part of a subscription service. It's $3.33 US per month if billed annually, or $4.16 per month if billed monthly. There's also team pricing, but we're not going to focus on teams today. I'm going to scroll down here, and you'll see that if you've got an older version, they have upgrade pricing, and it is still possible to get the standalone apps. But let's take a look at that. You'll see that the standalone app is TextExpander 5. As I said, we're going to be focusing on some of the advanced features that are now available in TextExpander 6, so we will be working with the subscription service model. I already have TextExpander installed, so I'm going to just quit Safari and we'll go in and look at TextExpander.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.